What's up, guys? It is your boy, um, Tony Gaming, back here with another video in Roblox Strucid. To be honest, I think I'm one of the official goats. See these builds? Hold up, what? Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm actually go for some people now, though. Not gonna lie. Because it's boring when you're just playing, just a building. Like, at first it's fun. Easy, quick scope. Thought I saw somebody. Where is these people? I hear builds like glass breaking. I don't see anybody though. Oh, somebody right there. Time to get the match on, bro. Time to get the match on. Yo, he's right there. Yo, what the crap? That just scared me. I can't. I'm stuck. Where's this boy at, bro? Oh my gosh, I hate the dang reload, I swear. Jeez, bro. Some freaking bots. I can't lose to them. Yeah, Leah, hold on. Give me. Dang, that was insane. I got 4 kills as soon as I joined. That's crazy. Actually, not crazy. That's sad. Share loadout. Pretty decent. Not bad. It could be better, but not bad. The tree. The tree. The tree sold me so hard. I'm so bad right now. Dang, I hate the He moved. You gotta be kidding me. See, my whole team's trying to hit him. It's like he has like a force field. I'm pushing. Oh, I'm messing up my corny old builds. Dang. That was so close. He should be so... That's karma. I did. She said, can you get her something? Get her a towel. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, bro. Straight flames. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. If he actually boosts away your garbage. Oops, I did not mean to do that, I swear. Gotta save a teammate. Alright, he's good. No, he's not. He's right next to the sweat. Ha. That should be a kill. Let's go. Planned. Easy. Easy, 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 easy buckets. I'm a game winner, okay? I'm not a game eller. Oh, somebody right here. Easy. I'm a game winner, okay? Nobody's better than me. I promise you. The Kraken Bobs? Where's this kid even at? Oh my gosh, that was crazy, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. What a cut. Aw, dang, bro. Aw, dang, bro. He literally camped. Like, I was at least camping in the open. I mean, I wasn't even camping. I was actually pushing. Kind of pushing, because I was actually going for people. Oh, I was about to say, if I was on the blue team, free flag. Literally free flag. Oh, crap. Yo, imagine that hit him. Oh, yeah, it's a teammate. I'm dumb. I'm too OG. Think I can't build? And my teammate stole my kill. What a turn up. I did not mean to place a trap. I'm such a bot. Crap. Where's you at, kid? Imagine that quick scoping him. Ha, he thought he was gonna land on me. Aw, dang. Fall damage. Ooh, no. No. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. That is not fair. Let me see something. That's cool, right? Thought I can edit that for a second. Guess not. Oh my gosh, I'm so low. If he doesn't get me, he's such a bot. Let's go. Still another one though. I don't know where at. Good job, bro. We're like the dynamic. I don't even know. What am I saying? Like the #1 official duo. I don't see anybody. I'm not trying to have nobody get me from the unseen. I'm gonna go on this side. Probably play it safe. I'm kind of playing it safe like this. Cause like barely any people can see me, but they can easily just break me down. Alright, where's everybody? Hold tab. I have eight. Thank you. Now 9. I want to be the first one. I want to. What was that? Was that him? Oh crap. He knows how to edit, but not as fast. Dang. Dang. And I still got somebody. That's just. Are you kidding me? It just disappeared. No, it didn't. Jeez, there's someone back there. Alright, let's see who got number 1. First place. Please me, please me. No, I got 10. Top person got 11. No, so close. It's crazy that didn't hit. I swear I just saw her coming this way. Alright, good job. Come on, load. I gotta see if there's any people here. Oh, I see somebody. Haha. Still got it. Dang, bro. I should've. Bro, he's aimbotting. Come on, come on. Easy. Sometimes they laugh and sometimes they smile. Baby. Dang, bro. Oh. Oh, bro, my duo partner. How dare you come for me? Bro, V. Oh, thank you. Oh, dang, bro. Bryce. Jeez, bro. Are you coming for me or like for real?
Yeah, Tony. Are you listening?
My gosh. Yes, I can. Put the air on. You put it on.
I already did. Duh.
Come on. I'm about to get somebody else. How much you want to bet I'm going to win the next fight that appears to me? By the way, today I'm going to be making a group on my account. And I'm not on my regular account. When I play Strucid, I have a different account I use. What? Well, guys, we're going to end the video there. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below hashtag, done. And I'll be sending you guys, 200 Robux off my group that I'm making today. So, yeah. And stay tuned, by the way, too. The group link or name for it is going to be down below. It'll also be on my profile. My username is down below in the description also. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications. And that's it. Peace.